Is data analysis the right career for you? It's a question that might have crossed your mind, especially in this age when data reigns supreme. So, let's delve into the world of data analysis and see what it's all about. Comparisons often help clear things up, so to give a wider perspective, let's juxtapose data analysis with some similar careers. Take, for example, a business analyst. While both roles involve working with data, a business analyst focuses more on interpreting data to help improve business processes, while a data analyst focuses on collecting and interpreting data to provide actionable insights. Now consider a data scientist. This role involves more advanced skills like machine learning and predictive modeling, which are not typically required for a data analyst. Essentially, data scientists are a step ahead, using data not just to understand the past and present, but to predict the future. So what does it take to become a data analyst? Education-wise, a bachelor's degree in a field like statistics, mathematics, or computer science is often required. However, the true magic lies in your skills. Being proficient in programming languages like Python or R, a knack for statistical analysis, and a strong understanding of databases are all crucial. Now, let's talk money. The average salary for a data analyst varies greatly depending on the industry and location, but it's safe to say that it's a lucrative field. For instance, in the United States, the average salary can range from $60,000 to $85,000 per year. In terms of career opportunities, the sky is the limit. From healthcare to finance, from technology to retail, every industry needs data analysts. And with the increasing dependence on data, the demand for this role is only going to surge. Like any career, data analysis has its pros and cons. On the bright side, it offers a variety of interesting projects, a chance to work in diverse industries, and a sense of accomplishment when your insights lead to positive changes. However, it can also be demanding, requiring constant learning and sometimes long hours. Looking into the future, the career outlook for data analysts is promising. As organizations become more data-driven, the need for skilled individuals to make sense of this data will continue to grow. In summary, data analysis is a dynamic, challenging, and rewarding career. It requires a blend of technical skills, a keen analytical mind, and a relentless curiosity. It offers the opportunity to shape the future of businesses and industries. So if you're someone who loves solving puzzles and unraveling mysteries hidden in data, data analysis might just be the perfect career for you.